In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record payment made to vendors in Zoho Books. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go and what to fill out so that every vendor payment you make is properly recorded and easy to find later. First, open your Zoho Books account and log in. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical menu with different modules for your accounting. From this menu, click on the section labeled Purchases. This is where Zoho Books groups everything related to bills, vendor credits, and payments to your suppliers. When the Purchases section opens, you'll see several options or tabs along the top or side. Look for the one that says Payments Made. Go ahead and click on Payments Made. This area is dedicated to tracking all the payments you've issued to your vendors, whether they're linked to bills or standalone payments. At the top right of the Payments Made page, you should see a button labeled New or Plus New. Click on this button to start creating a new payment entry. This will open up a form where you can specify all the details for the payment you're recording. In this new payment form, you'll first need to choose which vendor you're paying. Look for the field that says Select Vendor and click on it. A drop-down list of all your existing vendors in Zoho Books will appear. Scroll through the list or start typing the vendor's name to search more quickly, and then click on the correct vendor to select them. Once the vendor is selected, Zoho Books may automatically pull in any outstanding bills associated with that vendor, depending on your setup. Now it's time to fill in the payment details. Carefully enter the payment date, the amount you paid, and the payment mode, such as bank transfer, cash, or check. You can also select the account the money is coming from, like a specific bank account or cash account. If there are open bills, you can apply the payment against those bills so your payables stay accurate. It's also a good idea to add a reference number, like a check number or transaction ID, and a short note or description if you need extra context for future reference. After reviewing all the fields and making sure the information is correct, scroll down if needed and click Save. Zoho Books will record this payment under Payments Made and update the vendor's balance automatically. That's all you need to do to record a payment made to a vendor in Zoho Books.